Hello and welcome to Tech Baffle. How's your day today? Let me know in the comment section. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Sennheiser HD 4.40 BT headphones. I think that's what the model number is anyway. Don't forget to follow me at Tech Baffle. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. So let's get on with the unboxing. So today I'm going to be looking at the Sennheiser HD 4.40 BT wireless headphones. So these are over-ear headphones, which mean they go over your ear. So these are also foldable, so you can take them out like travelling if you want to. They last up to 25 hours, come with a 2-year warranty, and have wireless freedom, which is always very nice. On the side here it shows you can download an app called Captune, which is Sennheiser's own app I'm guessing, which you can download from the App Store or Google Play. We also have a detachable cable, so if you don't want to use Bluetooth you can also use a detachable 3.5mm cable. So inside the box you've got the headset itself, you've got a 1.4m audio cable with angled plug, you have a USB charging cable, and a nice touch, you also have a storage pouch, which is very nice, especially if you want to take it travelling. So on the side here you got a label you can check to verify that your headphones are genuine, otherwise you probably will be disappointed. So here it explains that over the ear headphones, so they go right over your ear. I prefer that sort of to on-ear headphones, but it's all personal preference. I find them quite comfortable. So we have Bluetooth technology, NFC one-touch pairing, which means you can just pair it instantly with NFC if you've got that on your phone. You have true hi-fi sound, which means it has aptX CSR. It also has up to 25 hours battery life, which sounds like a lot. That's more than a day of battery life. So English, balanced sound and amazingly detailed acoustic response and dynamic bass. Bluetooth wireless technology for cable-free mobility and control. Immediate pairing to smart devices with NFC. Closed circumaural design for maximum comfort. Robust foldable headband for easy storage on the go. So there you go, that shows the headphones all folded up so you can take them with you. So it just shows you the stages of folding up the headphones. Very straightforward. So the technical data says that the frequency response is 18 to 22,000 Hz. The impedance is 18 ohms. The sound pressure level is 113 decibels. The total harmonic distortion is less than 0.5%. The pickup pattern is dual omnidirectional. And finally, the battery pack is a lithium-ion polymer battery, and that's pretty much all on the box. I think we've covered it all. Yep, let's go ahead and open the box. So to open the box you have to turn it upside down. I was wondering what was going on for a second. So let's go ahead and split the tape. There we go. We have all the user manual and the soft carry pouch. A sort of soft carrying case to put the headphones in. The headphones themselves. Just pulls apart. There we go. You have the headphones folded up as they are. So to unfold, you just pull them out like that. And to fold them up again, just fold that ear in, and then there you go. Easy. Nice, simple design. You've got the really nice plush ear cups, really nice and soft, high quality. I think these are leather, really nice soft material. And you've also got some nice material at the top of here. It's kind of grippy as well, the material at the top, I guess it's to stop it from slipping off your head, but again nice and soft and padded. Here are the cables. I think, yep, it's got the charging cable and the angled 3.5mm cable. I think it's 1.4 meters long in length, so you can plug that bit into your phone and then this bit into your headphones. That's if you don't want to use Bluetooth, obviously. So yep, just plug in like that, and you can use your headphones as a conventional wired pair of headphones, which is good if, say, you don't want to use Bluetooth, or the device doesn't use Bluetooth that you're using it with, say like a computer or something that you don't have Bluetooth with. Maybe that you just want to save the battery life. Obviously it's not going to use any battery life if you're using them wired. So to put them in the carrying case, you just fold them up like that, get the carrying case and place them inside. then you've got like a drawstring here. It's not a hard carrying case, you're not going to want to bash this around too much, but it's right just to take it with you on travel. So on here you have the power on and off, you have the call or track control, you can just flick that each way, left or right, and then you've got the volume up and down. On here you've got the connection for if you want to use them wired, and then you've got the micro USB for charging, and I think this is a microphone. So there you go. It's a shame that it's not a USB-C, but it's what it is. It doesn't really matter too much. But yeah, the headphones themselves feel really nice and solid. Really nice build material. Got the Sennheiser branding on the top. It's a very understated look. Obviously you have got the Sennheiser branding here and here, but it's very minimal and it looks very classy. It also looks very comfortable. You've got nice deep ear cups. I mean, look at my thumb. It goes all the way up to there on my thumb. So you've got plenty of room for your ears. So I'm going to go ahead and put them on. So yeah, they feel very, very comfortable. They also block out a lot of external noise, even though these aren't noise cancelling headphones, but I can barely hear myself speak. They are very, very quiet. So yeah, they are really comfortable, very quiet as well. So I'll just go ahead and hold this down and it should turn on if it's got any charge. Oh, it just said power on, I don't know if you heard that. But here we go, it comes up with a flashing light asking it for connecting it to your device. So on my phone we've got the HD 4.4. Let's go ahead and press that. And there we go, connected. Obviously if you've got NFC on your phone you can go ahead and just use NFC. So for this video I won't be doing a sound test of the headphones themselves. So that was the unboxing of the headphones. At first glance they seem really nice and high quality, but I'll get more into the reviewing in the next video. I'm going to do a sound test of the headphones. I've actually got some funky microphones to record the headphones with whilst they're on my head. I'm not sure how that's going to work yet, so that might be a video, that might be a complete fail. Hopefully it all goes to plan, let's put it that way. If there's any more videos you want me to do on these headphones, let me know in the comment section. If you're interested in getting a pair of headphones for yourself, I'll put a link in the description. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you want any more of this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe and ding that bell icon. For more tech goodness, don't forget to follow me at TechBaffle. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Get all the info you need at techbaffle.com.